Grabe guys, ang labo ng paningin ko. Aswang nga pala ako. Charot. Bad da, bad. Ayan, may bubbles na, lilipad na tayo. Basta, paano kung aswang ako? Lilipad-lipad ako. Or,
if you're in an aswang, I will grab your head and pull you and jump over the electric fan for you to get shredded if you're an aswang.
kunyari, mag-12 na, to turn na ako ng I have my wings, I have everything, my vampire look. And my body is half. Shh, matumbay yan! Hindi ka aswang, aswang ka hindi, aswang hindi ka. So guys, it's fine. I knew it. We're just having fun here. Hello guys. Hindi ka aswang. Hello, how are you? Thumbs up. Kainin mo na doon. Pumunta ka na doon sa ano. Iba yung dagat. Mayroon ka na maraming tubig. Isang balde.
I need an whole entire jug of water.
O, inumin mo. Tingnan natin yung chat mo. Di sumabog. Ikaw pa lang. Matatago na arko. Oh, tubig. Tapos ka na bang kumain? Saan ka dong? Istanbul. Hello, how are you? Okay lang.
Because you na.
Uy!
I'm stepping on him.
Pag ikaw nakagat dyan, problema mo yun ah. Hindi kita inano dyan. I said what I said. I'm on my way. I said what I said. Buang ka na doon. Gilatanon kita, ipantak ko ka na ron. Ilan pa ka na yung tao niya? I said what I said.
What did you say? Yeah, come here. Someone said something.
What you think?
How are you, my dear? You look stylish today, masala.
Mashallah, like God bless. Yung Muslim, mashallah.
Muslim siya?
Yeah.
Simbahan ko.
Mashallah. Sabihin mo, assalamualaikum. Bas. Step.
Pakihukasan ng petsay.
Sabi?
Papa.
Okay. Text?
Yes.
I said what I said. Bakit mo lang?
I was looking at this head, then I saw Balco Studio.
I said what I said. Mo isa na yan. May ano yan. Ano daw? Yung lingganisa din pala galing kay at Carmo, pakilabas isang balot lang.